What do we do to prepare for a consultation? Well, I'm going to one today to see a new client. I'm going to share with you a little bit of behind the scenes of what we do to prepare to make sure we're really efficient and really prepared for this meeting. So the first thing that we do is, in addition to obviously having our discovery call and filling out a checklist, making sure we're asking all the right questions so we can understand the best service for the potential client while we're on the phone with them, make sure they're a good fit, that their timelines work with us, their budget, all of those good things. Once we know that they want to move forward, we have this beautiful branded folder that we put together, and inside we have our welcome packet, and that really is about what services that we offer. How do we benefit the project for our client? What can we do to make sure it's always moving forward, to save them time, save them money, work with our great trades, all of those things. So remember, if you're a designer, explain these to your clients, explain this information, because they don't know. They maybe probably never hired anyone before, right? I can't show you this because this is for today and the lady has filled out some information, but we have a questionnaire. We also have our discovery call form that we keep in here and our new client checklist. So we have that in here, and the new client checklist is really to make sure we don't forget any of our steps that we have. And yes, we could do this on the computer, and we often do. We have different programs that we can use, but I'm a little old school and still like something that I can print off and refer to as needed. So that's one of the things that we do to get super prepared for the consult. Also looks really professional, so think about your brand. The other thing that we bring is this binder here that I have, and one of the things that's included is information. I know this lady today is looking for our full custom design and project management services. So we have these outline of services, which is included in our contract templates. And again, it just shows a little bit of information, a little more detail than what you go into in the welcome packet, so you're not creating a whole book. And we obviously brand it again with pictures of our work. We share information about how we can help and the benefits. And then we also show examples of our renderings and then our completed work that we've done. So this way they can have a good idea of what to expect when working with us. Inside this, we also have, to show a little bit more credibility, we actually have where we were featured in this Curb Appeal magazine. So sometimes I'll have clients to show them that. I have a newspaper article, which is quite old, but that was where we also featured in the Toronto Star. And then I actually have examples of actual project PowerPoints that we give to clients. This also is included all in, if you're interested in any of these resources, all on my website, CLAIRE-ity.com, or DM me below. But don't start from scratch with this. This has taken me 12 years to perfect this. And then we have information about the custom design and project management services. We go through what clients can expect, why would they invest in these services, what type of services do we offer, are we involved in the design process, like all of these frequently asked questions. And then again, these are a little bit older. I would like to update them. And spring is here, so it's a perfect time. And that's what we're doing a lot here at Claire Jefford Inc. is that we're updating a lot of our processes or our documentation. So the most important thing with all of this that I bring is that I'm managing clients' expectations. I want them to understand how beneficial our services are, how we can help them, when they hire us for ongoing services, and there's no question sort of left or stone left unturned. And if you have any questions, DM me, but just make sure you're organized. I'm really excited to see this lady today. I'm going downtown Toronto, and yeah, it's gonna be fun. Cheers.